our first Alex just regular lesson day, not knowledge-based and all that. So here's the thing. Once you finish your knowledge test, it should have come to a screen like this where whatever your score is, the shaded part of each, and then it has some pop-up bubbles. So this one says the shaded part of each slice shows what you know. In other words, the gray area shows what you'll learn in this class. Awesome. So as I go around, clearly I have much more knowledge of, and you can kind of see what each color represents over here. So if you scroll down, the yellow is the whole numbers. I'm almost totally done with the yellow. And we can see, so like purple right here, I can't see it, but if I scroll this down, I see that, oh, look at that. The purple, oh, if you click on it, it actually brings it up. Click on it. So I mastered 46, I have remaining 9. Over here, I've mastered 56, I have remaining 62. Oh, right here, I've clearly mastered 0, I have 62 things to go there. So what happens is, go ahead and hit, once you're done looking at this, you can go ahead and hit continue. And it's going to come to another Alex tooltip thing, which I don't know is different. Alex figures out the topics you already know and helps take you to the right path to succeed. All right, there we go. We're going to get started. So watch that. Perfect. Here we go. Again, there's a couple more tutorial things. Your personal pie is in your Alex tab. Awesome. Select a slice to get more information. That's what we just did. You've unlocked your learning path. Go to your timeline to see it. Where's that one? Here's your main menu. Notifications show up here, all that good stuff. Okay, so you can stay wherever you want. It really doesn't matter. I like, oh, is there another button that I'm hiding? Okay, this suggests what to do next. This is your personal timeline as you learn topics. Your marker moves up towards your goal. Awesome. See what you're working towards, including due dates. So we don't necessarily have due dates. I mean, due June 10th. That's just when time's up and it'll be summertime. Get a quick picture of your week-by-week milestones. Awesome. You're all set. Let's get started. So right away, you're going to, after you get through all that, start my path. And it's going to take you to a lesson. So mine is this lesson. Yours is probably different. Our paths are different, okay? And so this is going to have, this is your learning page. You can review this material before you start learning. So just kind of take a quick glance at this, make sure you know what it's saying. Go through the question. If you're ever not sure, like it says, the method above suggests a rule called the product rule. Awesome. Next. Use the start button. Okay, good, good, good. If you ever see something that's highlighted in blue, you can click it, and it's going to bring up a little window to show you what different rules are. It's going to bring you to stuff. Lots of links you can go to. When multiplying powers, if you don't know what a power is, go here. It's going to bring you to a place where it's going to give you those definitions. So just keep that in mind. But if you feel good, you can click Start. And here's where your assignment comes in. So this right here, all right, this shows you how many correct answers you need in a row. So I need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correct answers in a row to successfully pass this. Use the explanation button. If you need help, don't worry, it won't count against you. So what does that mean? All right, I'm not sure what to do here. Explanation. It goes back to that first page, but notice the first ones were U. This gives me a whole different example with W's. Okay? I could even practice. Or practice is going back to what you're doing. So then, now we look at our question and say, all right, now notice if I hit explanation, it's actually going to explain how to solve this problem. And then, so explanation, it'll have the V's. Look, V to the fourth, simplify that. It's just showing you that it's really just a bunch of V's, and together they add up to 10 V's. So now go back to practice. It's going to be a whole new question. And again, you need to answer several of these in a row. So I'm going to look at this one. This is x to the 1, plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So I'm going to have x. And to answer it all the way, I'm going to click this so I get the exponent 10. Boom. Check. Did I get it right? Yeah, it's green. I got it right, plus 1. I'm going to go next. You're going to keep doing this until you get 5 answers in a row. What happens if I get one wrong? Let's see y. Again, click that to get the exponent up to the 3rd. Check. Oops, I did it wrong. See how it takes you back down? Because I get 5 in a row to be able to pass the lesson. Some of these lessons you'll do very quickly, some not at all. Today, your goal is to get through 3 of these. Boom. All right? So, go ahead and do that. When you're done with your lessons, and you've done 3 of them, make sure and send me a message with all the work on the paper, because you need to be showing these on paper so that I can see each one that you're doing. You do need to write down the problem and your solution, okay? I don't need you, like on this one where it showed how, if you look at the explanation, it shows how it shows how you expand it. I don't need you to expand it. I don't care if you just say, hey, 3 plus 2 is 5. That's fine. So make sure you're showing your work, you're writing down everything, and you need to do 3 of these to complete today's lesson and get the points. All right? Peace out.